All right, guys, we're in the SM Mall here in Clark. I'm telling you what, I'll tell you right now where to get the best cake. We already know, we've had it. Right here at the Cara Mia.
Cara Mia.
Cara Mia.
Cara is face. Cara Mia.
Oh, your face?
Cara Mia.
All right.
Okay, cakes and gelato.
It's right here in the middle of the mall when you come in the center area where the train is and all the decorations are. Just to give you an idea, it is located right in the middle. And these cakes, I tell you, it's the best cake I've eaten since I've lived here in the Philippines. We're going to get one of these chocolate Java cakes. And we're also going to get this salted s'more cake right here. Delicious, guys. They have some beautiful cakes here. Now they offer delivery, but we're not going to take a chance on that.
No, they don't want to ruin my cake.
I am not taking a chance with some trike or motorcycle delivering a messed up cake for my wife's birthday. It's not happening.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
All right, so that's where you get your cakes. If you ever want a cake over here in Angeles City area, Clark, that's
Try
it.
those, they're good.
The best.
You know what good means when we say it's good.
Yeah, it's good. When we say it's good, it's good. Most of the time. All right, we're going to eat. Follow along here. It is Saturday here in the mall. Pretty busy, as usual. The mall is crazy busy anymore every day of the week, especially on weekends. We are going to go to a place that we've never eaten before, believe it or not.
Yes.
And I've heard good things about it. We're going to go try out the Army Navy and get a burger or a burrito or something. And we'll see how it goes. But it's right down here, Army Navy. We've passed there a million times and just never thought it would be good. But I've had several people tell me, hey, it's not bad, you got to try. So we're going to try. Take a look at all the people here in the mall, enjoying their weekend. Hopefully one of these days we can peel off these masks in here. Here's the Army Navy straight up ahead. Next to the Krispy Kreme and the French bakery. Give it a shot. All right, here we are, guys. The Army Navy. It's a chain here, of course. And it looks like it's something that's modeled after American style burgers and food. Looks like they got wings, burgers, all kinds of goodies.
You want to be outside or inside?
You know what? Don't matter to me. We can eat right there at this back table. Let's eat right there. All right, guys, we got shot down at the Army Navy burger because they had a 30-minute wait. So
You know how I am when I'm hungry.
yeah, so I don't want her getting hangry again over here. This is Kyle. He's going to help us today. We are going to order some food here at Steveston's Pizza. Heard a lot about this place. We haven't tried it yet. This is a place you get lobster on your pizza, all kinds of seafood. All right, Mercy's going to try to drink some wine, but they wanted to sell our whole bottle. He said, you'll be too drunk. I'm not going to help you. All right, guys, we got pizza after all. We did the pepperoni pizza. And we got these wings coming too. Pizza and wings here at Steveston's Pizza. So I'm going to bring these wings out. I got some spicy hot, and I got some garlic, sweet honey garlic coming for Mercy. She wanted to get that green pasta, but hell, we just had pasta yesterday. I don't know what's up with you.
I know, it looks good though.
My pasta wasn't enough for you?
Shrimp, I mean, all the goodies.
It does look good. They have some good pastas here. Yeah, next time. They have some nice hors d'oeuvres and different breads and stuff. This is Canadian owned, is what Kyle's telling us. The Canadian owned business. All the pizzas look good, very unique. They have a lobster tail pizza here, the Queen. They got a princess pizza. That's crab meat, cheese, shrimp, diced tomatoes. And they got a smoked salmon pizza as well. Tiger prawn, prosciutto ham. They got all kinds of gourmet pizzas going on here. But then again, they have your regular old pepperoni, garlic, basil, anchovy, artichoke. They got a feta and chicken. That looks good. I love feta cheese. They have a caveman here that's just all meat. So that looks good as well. So we're gonna try their pizza here at Steveston, as well as some wings, and they also have some coffees and iced coffees and stuff like that on here. So interesting. Nice place, nice menu, nice seat outside. It's kind of noisy with the music, but yeah, we got a little fan right above us here. It's pretty cool. Give you a look at the whereabouts of the place right here. It's the new portion of the mall here. But here it is, Steveston Pizza. Right next door to a brand new Subway that just opened over here, amongst many other restaurants that opened up. But yeah, come over from the main part of the mall over here, walk across to this other new area, and there's all kinds of new shops available. All right, guys, check it out. We got some wings. Look at that. I got some spicy wings. I can see the pepper on here. That makes me think they're the spicy ones. And Mercy got the sweet ones. Let's move this over.
They're delicious, guys.
Are they? You tried my hot and spicy one?
Not yet, I'm afraid.
Well, how do you know it's delicious?
No, mine.
Oh, you tried the sweet one. Okay, I see. And then we got the pizza here. That looks delicious as well. Very good looking pepperoni pizza.
Excuse me,
Nice.
do you have
Oregano?
oregano?
No oregano? Mercy always wants oregano.
Order for the pizza.
She's always wanting oregano.
Thank you.
All right, we're gonna dig in here, see what these are all about. I gotta say, these little sweet wings that she got are delicious. What are they, honey garlic?
Honey garlic.
Honey garlic flavor are delicious. I got me a little nibble off the backside here. They are good, guys. Good stuff. Saying they're spicy, huh?
Mm-hmm. They are.
They don't look spicy, but you know what? Looks can be deceiving. Check this pizza out, guys. It holds together really well. It's very nice, very cheesy. See what it's all about here. Very good. Got some basil. The ingredients are really good. The crust is good, the cheese, pepperoni, delicious. I like it. Oh, and she got her oregano. She brought her out a little dish of oregano.
Yes.
I knew they'd come through for you.
Yeah.
She likes oregano.
You have to have oregano.
She always throws extra oregano on her pizza. Good looking pizza, guys. Good tasting pizza. I gotta try one of these hot wings. Mercy said they're hot. They don't look hot to me.
No, they are hot.
All right, let's see how hot this is. Let's put it to the hot test. It's got a chili flake on it or something.
Oh yeah.
It's not hot with like a sauce, like a buffalo sauce, but it's hot with chili flake. There's chili on it for sure. It is hot. Good though. I'm gonna double up. I'm gonna throw some Tabasco on there too. All right, guys. As always, the damages here is 1,251 pesos is our damages for the very unique pizza experience here.
And you have a cute message.
Oh, I do.
You have a takeout.
You made our day extra special. We love you from Steveston's family. All right, cool. So that was our video today, Steveston's, our food vlog of the day. All right, we're here with Jamie. She's the manager here at Steveston's. Good food here. She's gonna tell everybody to come and eat at Steveston's.
Yes, hello. welcome to Stevenson. Hope you guys visit our store here at Skyline. You guys can experience the seafood pizza, the chicken. You know, we are voted the best pizza in a row for 10 years. Yes.
For how many years?
For 10 years.
Wow.
Yes.
It is a very unique experience. They have lobsters. Wow. And the jeepneys flying by.
Yeah.
But yeah, they have lobster, all kinds of seafood, different kind of pizzas here.
The wings are amazing.
The wings are good. Everything's good.
Very
Next time we'll have to try that lobster pizza.
Why not?
All right. We'll see you guys on the next video.
See ya. Thank you. See ya.